Hello everyone, I am Bybit and in this tutorial I will show you how to and where to buy official Minecraft. Okay, so you have link in the description to this website. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So to buy Minecraft you need to click in download Minecraft. Next step is look, choice, language, choose version, deluxe collection or just Minecraft. Minecraft contains Java edition, Bedrock edition, launcher. Here you have more. Okay, completing the purchase. What you need to do is also look. Okay, click on payment, and here you have a credit card or a wallet. You here have two options in United States. Okay, card, credit, you must write. Later you click on wait. Okay, for example, a wallet. You have also PaySafe card, okay. And you just log in, check and confirm, and later you may download official Minecraft. You must also create account on this website. You must be login. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.